Inspection on solar systems. Utility-scale solar farms are becoming a key part of the electric grid. Solar farms require periodic monitoring and maintenance. Maintenance technicians measure the electric parameters to assure that the solar farm produces the highest power possible. Inside the electric junction box combines the many solar cells. To record your maintenance activities, take a photo of the panels. Measure hotspots with the FT3700-20 and automatically add the measurements to the photo. Measure voltage and current in the junction box. Automatically add the data to the Genet Cross with your tablet or smartphone. Check your measurements. With your tablet or smartphone, create your report while at the solar farm. Share the report with engineers in the central office with the click of a button.